Alright guys, so today we got an 09 Dodge Caliber in for obviously a door glass. Unfortunately, someone tried to break into this guy. You can see right here where they pried on it a little bit. We'll straighten this guy out a little bit, that way he doesn't have any problems with any kind of binding when the window goes up and down. Pretty self-explanatory. Door panel has to come off, being careful not to break some of these hidden clips that some of the manufacturers put in the doors for us. Makes our job real fun. Vent glass has to come out because of the square shape of the window. Just a couple of hidden screws and stuff that we have to take out. Not a big deal. When we get it done, obviously test operation, make sure it rolls up and down perfectly fine, make sure the regulator wasn't damaged as well. Even if it was, you know who can fix it. So we'll set you guys up on a tripod, let you watch us get it fixed up for the customer. Alright guys, just buttoning up the door glass. We did find a slight problem while we were in there. The regulator actually did get damaged while the glass got broken. We did give the option to the customer to either, when he is ready to get a regulator, he can either buy one himself and bring it in and we can install it for him, or he can have us order one for him and install it for him as well. So we always like to give customers options with everything they do. That way you're not being forced into something you're not ready for or just don't want to do. So that pretty much buttons it up. If you guys need any kind of glass service, you know where we are. Auto Glass Masters in Temecula, California. Hit us up.